¿No sabes cómo pedir comida en español? ¿Quieres ordenar donde sea, pero todavía no puedes? No te preocupes. Today, I'm going to teach you 5 different ways that you can order food in Spanish. Number 1 is quisiera, meaning I would like. Quisiera una hamburguesa, por favor. Quisiera una hamburguesa, por favor. Okay? I would like. Truthfully, I don't use this too much. However, the one I use all the time is number 2. ¿Me da un café? Or ¿me das un café? Could you give me a coffee? Okay? Now, a lot of students will say to me, Nate, this sounds really rude. Give me, me da? That just sounds rude. Well, here's the thing. In Spanish, this is actually the most informal way to command someone to do something. Normal commands would be something like dame or deme. Okay, those are different commands. Dame being the informal, deme being the formal. Okay? However, when we put that little word me in front of the verb, okay, this is called an object pronoun. When we put it before, it actually makes it a more passive way to ask someone to do something. Okay, so I could say, dame un café, por favor, or deme un café, por favor. But the most common thing you're going to hear when ordering, especially in Mexico, is me da. Me da being formal and me das being informal. The reality is you can use both interchangeably. I will use both. If you're unsure which to use, just use me da. Okay, this is to show extra respect. Me da un café. And also try to tack on por favor when you can. Voy a querer una orden de los tacos al pastor. I am going to want. This is a very common way that we'll order here in Mexico. Voy a querer. Voy a querer la pizza, por favor. Okay, I'm going to want. Voy a querer una orden de los tacos al pastor. Now here's a little pro tip to make you sound pro and really make it seem like you know what you're doing. When you are in Mexico and you want to order tacos, ask for una orden. It's 5 tacos. That is the standard order in Mexico. So you could say, oye, ¿me das una orden de los tacos al pastor, por favor? They'll be like, sí, claro que sí. And they'll give you 5, okay? So, voy a querer una orden de los tacos al pastor, okay? Which are probably the most popular tacos in all of Mexico. Suadero is really good. Those are popular. Many good tacos here. Next, para mí, una horchata. Horchata is like a sweet rice drink, very popular here in Mexico. But this is really simple. Para mí, for me. So I'll use this after someone else has ordered. So my girlfriend will say, ¿me das los tacos, por favor? And then I'll say, y para mí, yo quiero whatever. Okay, para mí, yo quiero una horchata. Okay, so for me. You can also just say, yo quiero. Okay, that works as well. Quiero, blah, blah, blah. Now, do not say me gustaría, okay? Me gustaría una orden. Because it kind of just sounds like you're saying, oh yeah, I would like that, but I can't have that because whatever. Okay, so me gustaría pedir los tacos, pero no puedo porque. So I would like to order the tacos, but I can't because. So don't say me gustaría, okay, when ordering. Use one of these 5 phrases. Finally, ¿me puede traer un vaso con agua? Can you bring me? ¿Me puede traer un vaso con agua? Now, I wouldn't necessarily use this when I'm initially ordering, but if I want a waiter to bring me something else, then I can just say, ¿me puede traer un vaso con agua? Okay? Once again, notice how we have kind of that passive thing going on. Here we have me da, and here we have me puede. Okay? You can also cut out the puede, and you can just say, me trae. Okay, cut off the R and you have me trae un vaso con agua, por favor. Okay, another way to command. Now, if you just want one go-to thing to use when ordering, use number 2. This is the one I use the most often. Hola, ¿me da un café con leche, por favor? Hola, ¿me da una hamburguesa, por favor? Okay. Really simple. Those are 5 easy ways to order food in Spanish. I hope this has helped you. If it has, please like this video and also leave a comment and also subscribe. It really does help me out a lot. Also, if you want to join my free Spanish community, click the link in the description. You can join the free Spanish club and you can join my full Fluent Spanish Speaker Academy by clicking the link in the video description. Muchas gracias y espero que tengas muy buen día. Hasta luego.